whispers in the rain, hearts we hoped would never wane. Once warm touch, now cold as stone.
Imagine being able to make music like this using AI and send a custom song to someone you love, or even make money on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, all without being a musician or singer. In this video, I'll introduce you to an AI that can help you create unique music and beats, making it simple and fun to dive into music creation. The AI we'll use is VoiceMod, a powerful and free tool for creating audio and editing music. Here's how to get started. Head to the VoiceMod website and sign up for free using your Google account or email. Once you're logged in, go to the text-to-song page, where you'll find a variety of music templates. You can listen to each one to find a style that suits your taste.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody. We'll write a story. Title in the and we Grovers.
This the worst year of my life.
Ready to begin? Click on the Generate to start your music journey. You'll first pick a pre-made music template. Listen to different options and select the one you like. Next, choose from a list of AI-generated singers to match the mood of your song. If you have lyrics ready, enter them here. If not, don't worry, you can use a tool like ChatGPT to generate lyrics for you. Just ask ChatGPT for lyrics. For example, a brief sad love lyric with 250 characters. Here is our short lyrics, copy and paste it directly into the song generator. Customize the song and artist names to make them your own. Once everything is set, click to generate your song. After a few seconds, you'll have a unique track that you can download and choose to include vocals, music only, or... Here is the music we just made.
Fading whispers in the rain, hearts we hoped would never wane. Once warm touch, now cold.
It seems very cool. With AI tools like VoiceMod, you don't need to rush or go big right away. Start small, experiment with different ideas, and build your creative skills over time. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. See you in the next video.